Hi guys, welcome to this session on Google Sheets. In this module I want to show you how you can use Sparklines. So on the screen you can see I've got some examples of what each of these types are. So the first one is a column chart, then you've got another column chart with a high color set, and then you've got a bar chart, and then you've got a line. So these are the formulas. I've got them down here so you can make reference to them if you need to. What I'm going to do is recreate each one of these. So I'll just copy this set of data, just copy that and paste it down here, and then go through the process. So the first thing you need to do is type equals Sparkline, which will set off the function wizard, and then you've got the option there to grab the data, which is what I'm going to do now. That's the data. Now if I just press enter on that, I just get a line by default. That's the default. But if I don't want a line, what I need to do is go up there and tell it that I want something different. So I'm going to tell it that I want a column, and then I'm going to do the colors like this. So what you have to do is do a comma and then open a squiggly bracket and type chart type in quotes. So I missed the first quotes off, so that's got to go in quotes. Then after that you're doing another column and then in another comma, then in quotes you tell it what type you want. So I want a column in quotes, close the squiggly bracket, press enter on that, and you get your column. Now if you want to change the colors of this, you have to do a semicolon, so that's careful that you do a semicolon, not a comma, and then you can tell it which color to go. So I'll just do the high color for red on this one. So if I've got there, so after that's close quotes, semicolon, and then open quotes again, and now I'm going to put high color, and for those in the UK it's the American spelling for color, high color, and then a comma, and then you tell it in quotes that you want it red, and then you press enter, and then you get the high figure going red. So if I put that at 66, that's gone red now. So that was that first one. So the next one is column high color red, so that's the same. And then this one is a bar chart with red and yellow, so you've got color 1 and color 2. So let's do that one. So if I just copy this data, copy, paste that down there. So I've got it equals Sparkline, open the bracket, open a normal bracket, select the data, comma, so the chart type this time, so open that squiggly bracket and open quotes, chart type, close quotes, comma, is going to be bar, open quotes, bar, and now I want to do the colors for the bar. So I'm going to have two colors, red and yellow. So now this is where it's a semicolon, do a semicolon, and then open quotes, color 1, close quotes, comma, is going to be red, in quotes, semicolon, color 2, in quotes, is going to be yellow. So it's a comma, like so. And then you close in this squiggly bracket, and then you close in the normal bracket, and then you check in. So this is what you've got to watch out for, this semicolon, that you're doing that, otherwise it's a comma between the two. And then if you press enter on that one, you get the same as this. Now the last one I'm going to do is the line with a line width that's different to the default. So if I just copy these again, copy, paste, and equals Sparkline, open the bracket. So the data is this, comma. So I'm opening the squiggly bracket again and opening quotes, line width, close quotes, comma 7. Close squiggly bracket, close normal bracket, then you get a fatter line. And obviously if you play around with that number, so if I come down to 4, that will be a thinner line. But that's basically how you create sparklines in Google Sheets. Different types. If you don't want any of this extra stuff on, it's going to default to a line graph or a line sparkline, and that's how it works. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.